Ron, who's your best friend?
My best friend is a guy named Tom.
Mm-hmm. And what do you do together? Do you go fishing?
No, I like to be alone when I fish. Tom and I love to go camping.
In the mountains?
Yeah. It's great to be out in the fresh air, seeing the stars at night.
I know what you mean. And when did you two first meet?
It was when we were in high school. We were in the same history class. That was, let me think, 10 years ago.
And you're still good friends?
Yes, the best.
Next, Sally.
Okay, Sally, how about you? Who's your best friend?
My best friend's name is Susan.
Mm-hmm. And what do you two like to do together?
Oh, all kinds of stuff. We spend a lot of time together.
Okay, but what's your favorite thing to do? Do you two go camping like Ron and Tom?
No, we never go camping. No, what we like to do is go to the movies. We go almost every Friday night.
I see. And when did you first meet?
Oh, a long time ago, when we were both 7 years old.
You were 7?
Yes, a very long time ago. Almost 25 years ago.
That is a long time ago.
Next, Ken.
Do you have a best friend, Ken?
Oh, yeah. My best friend is Jim.
And how long have you known each other?
Not so long. About a year. Oh, wait, no. 2 years. Yeah. We met at the tennis club 2 years ago.
Oh, so you play tennis with each other?
Well, against each other, really. You know, we both try to win.
And who usually wins, you or him?
Definitely Jim. I almost always lose. I'm not very good at tennis, but I usually win when we play chess.
Ah, you guys play chess too?
Oh, yeah, and I'm definitely a better chess player than he is.
Finally, Alice.
Alice, how about you? Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do. Her name's Anna.
When did you meet her?
Let me see. Oh, it was in our freshman year, so 3 years ago.
Aha. Did you meet in high school?
No, freshman year of college. We're on the same team.
Oh, so what do you play?
Oh, soccer. We're both on our college soccer team.